Let's read the problem carefully and keep track of what each point represents. We're given 3 vertices of a triangle. Then we create 2 midpoints, and we want the distance between those midpoints. Midpoints tell us we should average coordinates. This is the distance we'll compute at the end. Before we compute anything, let's note the answer choices, so we know what kind of number we're aiming for. Let's use a simple diagram to make the relationship easier to see. Since D and E are midpoints, the main idea is simple. A midpoint sits halfway between 2 endpoints. In the coordinate plane, that means we average the x-coordinates and also average the y-coordinates. That keeps the points centered between them in both directions. Average x to get the middle left to right, and average y to get the middle up and down. Let's find point D first. D is the midpoint of B and C, so we average the coordinates of B, which is 8, 0, and C, which is 4, 6. This guarantees D is exactly halfway along segment BC. So D lands at x equals 6 and y equals 3. Now for point E. E is the midpoint of A and C, so we average A, which is 0, 0, with C, which is 4, 6. Same logic. Averaging puts us halfway from A to C. So E is at x equals 2 and y equals 3. Great. Notice something nice. Both points have the same y-coordinate, 3. That means the segment between them is perfectly horizontal, so the distance is just the difference in their x values. From x equals 2 to x equals 6 is 4 units. The length of segment DE is 4.